Fantastic news is on the horizon. Bola Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, is gearing up to host the African Central Bank right in Abuja, our capital city. In a promising commitment, he assures us that he'll be in close collaboration with the African Union and other countries to ensure the seamless launch of the bank in 2028. This significant step forward not only reflects Nigeria's pivotal role, but also showcases the country's leadership in this groundbreaking initiative. As we anticipate this monumental event, it's worth noting the collaborative spirit that President Tinubu is fostering. By working hand in hand with the African Union and fellow nations, Nigeria is setting the stage for a cooperative effort that goes beyond borders. This move is not just about hosting a bank. It symbolizes a shared vision for economic growth and development across the African continent. So, mark your calendars for 2028 as Nigeria steps into a leading role, making waves in the establishment of the African Central Bank and contributing to the broader aspirations of unity and progress. Before we jump into today's discussion, if you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This way, you'll be the first to know about all the exciting videos we have lined up for the future. Don't miss out. Let's stay connected. In the recently concluded 37th African Union Summit in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, which wrapped up on February 18, President Tinubu took the opportunity to share some significant ideas. A press release from Nigeria's presidency on X highlighted President Tinubu's commitment. He and his administration are fully on board to collaborate with the African Union Commission and other member countries. Their shared goal is to ensure that the new bank kicks off successfully in 2028. This commitment isn't just about hosting a bank. It's about teamwork and working together to achieve something big for the continent. President Tinubu's administration wants to make sure that this initiative becomes a reality, bringing positive changes and opportunities for everyone involved. As we reflect on these developments, it's evident that the 37th African Union Summit was more than just a meeting. It was a platform for leaders like President Tinubu to express their dedication to the future of Africa. The collaboration with the African Union Commission and other member countries signals a united effort to make a positive impact, ensuring that the new bank becomes a successful reality in 2028. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting journey towards a stronger, more prosperous Africa. This initiative goes beyond being a simple idea. It holds immense significance as it aligns with the Abuja Treaty signed in 1991. Envisioned to create the African Economic Community, this treaty becomes a compass guiding us toward a collective economic future. The impending establishment of the bank signifies a pivotal step in that direction. President Tinubu, in emphasizing this connection, serves as a reminder that Africa's strength in tackling challenges lies in unity. He firmly believes that our collective determination can surmount any obstacle in our path. Thus, it's not merely about the establishment of a bank. It's a resonant call for Africa to stand strong, united, and collaboratively shape a brighter and more prosperous future. In our pursuit of qualitative democratic governance and economic development, we find ourselves navigating through challenging headwinds, both as a continent and as individual nations. President Tinubu astutely pointed out many obstacles, such as climate change and unfair patterns of global trade, are largely not of our making. He acknowledged the external challenges we face but also emphasized that some of the pitfalls, including coup-birth autocracies and the deleterious tinkering with constitutional tenure provisions, are issues that Africans are grappling with internally. President Tinubu delivered these remarks during the 37th African Union Summit in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, which concluded on February 18. The summit provided a platform to address crucial matters impacting the African continent and set the stage for significant developments, including Nigeria's commitment to host the African Central Bank, ACB, in Abuja. Speaking of the ACB, President Tinubu shed light on its profound objectives aimed at fostering economic integration. The ACB seeks to achieve this by implementing a common monetary policy and introducing a single African currency, as outlined in Articles 6 and 44 of the Abuja Treaty. He underlined the ACB's role in promoting international monetary cooperation, maintaining exchange rate stability, and facilitating multilateral payments among member states to bolster global trade. Excitingly, the proposed headquarters for the ACB is set to be in Abuja, Nigeria, marking a significant step towards the realization of the Abuja Treaty signed in 1991. This treaty outlined the establishment of the African Economic Community, and the impending launch of the ACB aligns seamlessly with its objectives. President Tinubu's vision extends beyond addressing immediate challenges. He emphasized that Africa's capacity to tackle these challenges effectively hinges on resolute determination, grounded in a firm foundation of profound unity. These sentiments underscore the transformative potential of initiatives like the ACB, which not only signify economic integration but also serve as a testament to the continent's commitment to self-driven development. As we reflect on these insights, it becomes evident that the journey towards achieving qualitative democratic governance and economic prosperity involves navigating both external and internal challenges, with collaborative initiatives like the ACB paving the way for a united and economically empowered Africa. At the summit, the president shared some really important things. He talked about those military coups happening in Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. These countries also decided to leave the economic community of West African states. The president wants to make sure everyone understands that even if we don't all agree on how the government should change, we shouldn't let it break our teamwork in the region. Together, we are stronger. Now let's dive into education, a big focus at this year's summit. The president emphasized how education is like a super useful tool. It's not just about reading and writing. It's about finding clever ideas to solve the challenges we face in Africa. It's like having a special key that opens doors to better ways of doing things. Adding something special, President Tinubu gave a friendly invite to everyone at the gathering in Addis Ababa. There's another summit coming up in April, and it's called the African Counter-terrorism Summit. This time, it's happening in Abuja. The plan is to talk about why terrorism happens in Africa and figure out smart ways to stop it from the very beginning. As the summit progressed, African leaders convened to discuss crucial matters that hold immense significance for the continent's future. Collaboratively, they delved into topics such as regional teamwork, ensuring that the developmental strides made are sustainable for the long term, and brainstorming innovative solutions to the challenges at hand. It's more than just a conversation about the difficulties we encounter. It's a collective effort to unearth solutions and work hand in hand towards a future that shines brightly for Africa. Africa has been dealing with some tough stuff, like inflation, getting loans, and trying to bring all its countries together economically. But here comes some good news. The African Central Bank has some big goals that could help with these challenges. Imagine it like a superhero for the African market. This bank, planned to be in Abuja, Nigeria, aims to make things better for everyone. Let's break it down. Inflation, which means prices going up, can make it hard for people to buy things they need. Accessing loans or getting money when you need it is crucial for businesses and individuals to grow. And then there's economic integration, which is like bringing all the African nations closer together economically. The African Central Bank wants to tackle these big challenges and make Africa more competitive on the world stage. Now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on having the African Central Bank in Abuja, Nigeria? Drop your comments below. Let's chat about how this could be a game changer for Africa and what it means for all of us. Your thoughts matter. If you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content in the future. Your support means a lot, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting videos ahead.